Are you looking for the best bike racks? Bike locks are a critical line of defense for urban cyclists, commuters, and casual riders alike. The category ranges from lightweight cable and chain locks designed for deterrence to heavy-duty chains and U-locks built for higher-risk environments. This review examines 5 widely available options that sit in a $9.99 to $16.99 price band, representing a practical balance of security, convenience, and product. Number 1. Master Lock Cable Lock. Overview. The 8122D is a long 6-foot braided steel cable with a 4-digit resettable combination, coated in vinyl to reduce scratching on frames and minimize corrosion. It emphasizes versatility as a general-purpose outdoor lock, suitable for bicycles and other equipment. The inclusion of a resettable combination and the 1/2-inch 13mm diameter cable offers reasonable flexibility for multiple securing points and modest theft deterrence in lower-risk environments. Overall, it delivers solid value in its price tier and earns strong marks for user-friendly combination setup and protection against frame scratching thanks to the vinyl coating. Performance-wise, the 8122D favors convenience and deterrence over high-security brute force resistance. The braided steel, while flexible for threading through frames and racks, is more vulnerable to cutting than a thicker chain or a hardened U-lock. The 4-digit combination is convenient, but can be susceptible to manipulation or quick guessing if not chosen with care. Real-world use cases include securing a bike at a low crime area or as a secondary lock in combination with a primary high-security device. The included components, one lock, set of keys not included as the device is combination-based, align with its intended purpose as a product. Number 2. Bike Chain Lock. Overview. This 2.72-foot chain lock uses a 4mm thick alloy steel chain with a hardened zinc alloy cylinder, aiming to deter drilling and cutting. It ships with 3 keys for redundancy and features a protective polypropylene sleeve to reduce rust and frame scratches. The design prioritizes practical security for short to mid-length locks and multi-item securing scenarios, with additional convenience features like easy snapping without keys for quick locking. Performance-wise, the 4mm chain presents a middle ground security option, suitable for low to mid-risk environments. It's adequate for urban settings where opportunistic theft is possible, but not highly persistent. The triple key offering reduces the risk of lockouts due to lost keys, and a protective sleeve improves weather resilience. Use case notes: it can lock multiple items or secure bike plus accessories, but may be overkill for casual use in high-risk areas where thicker chains or U-locks are preferred. The 2.72-foot length may limit securing space for larger frame configurations. Product number 3. DIFE Bike Lock. Overview. The DIFE NUSTAL 92-L-N is a 6-foot cable lock with a 12mm diameter steel cable encased in PVC, rated as weatherproof with 2 keys and an integrated mounting bracket for on-bike storage. The elongated length enables convenient locking of larger frames or multiple objects, and the bracket helps keep the lock secure and accessible. The combination of a thicker cable than many budget options and the included mounting hardware make it a compelling choice for daily commuters seeking a balance of length, security, and convenience. Performance-wise, the 12mm cable diameter represents a meaningful security advantage over thinner cables, reducing vulnerability to bolt cutters in everyday scenarios. The weatherproof coating and anti-rust materials support durability in outdoor storage. The 2-key system simplifies access but lacks a programmable combination, which some users prefer for faster unlock. Use cases include securing a bike with friends, gym lockers, or scooters where a longer towable lock is advantageous. The integrated bracket is a practical accessory. Product number 4. Master Lock Black Bike Lock. Overview. The 8320D is a hardened steel U-lock with a protective vinyl coating and a double locking shackle for enhanced pry resistance. It includes an integrated disc key mechanism for improved pick resistance and ships with a carrier bracket for easy transport. This model emphasizes a more rigid form of security suitable for higher theft risk environments, while maintaining portability and ease of use. Performance-wise, the 8320D targets higher security than typical cable locks due to the U-lock design, which is inherently more resistant to cutting and leverage attacks. The double locking shackle adds a layer of tamper resistance, and the polished finish helps resist corrosion. Its 7¼ inch size fits most standard bike frames, but may not accommodate some oversized frames or triple locking configurations. The bracket inclusion is a practical value add for riders who want quick access during commutes. Overall, it's a practical middle ground option for city rides where lockout risk is not.
Product number 5. Titanker Heavy Duty Bicycle. Overview. Titanker presents a 3-foot, 6mm thick chain lock with 2 keys, a protective cloth sleeve, and a dust cover for the keyhole. This option emphasizes portability and cut resistance, using a solid 6mm chain paired with a compact footprint suitable for quick locking in lower risk settings. Performance-wise, the 6mm chain provides robust resistance against casual theft and bolt cutters in typical urban environments, though it remains vulnerable to specialized high-force attacks in high-risk situations. The shorter 3-foot length suits small frames or single-item securing, but may limit options for larger bikes or locking multiple items. The sleeve and dust cover enhance longevity in outdoor conditions by preventing rust, while the 2-key system eases daily use. Use cases include city commuting, apartments with limited lock space, or securing a